This is a lovely, healthy, simple scone recipe that's purely delicious. It's wholesome, it's made from beautiful wholemeal spelt flour. It's got some organic oats, scented with dates and caressed with a little bit of orange and cinnamon, and it's purely delicious. It's actually from my cookbook, Purely Delicious, and I want to show you how easy it is. Here I've got some spelt flour. Into this, I'm actually adding some baking powder. So the thing is, you need to combine your dry ingredients first. So spelt flour, baking powder in a mixing bowl. Just give it a bit of a mix with a spoon. To that, I'm adding a pinch of cinnamon. And I'm going to add the zest of one orange. This is going to give it a lovely, beautiful flavour as well, and it just marries so well with the cinnamon. I'm going to rub in some beautiful, lovely cold butter into here. So I can use my hands, but I'm going to use the mix master to just gently rub the flour and the butter together, just to form a bit of a delicate crumb. This is what you want, check it out. So right at this very minute, it's all lovely and crumbly, and the butter is beautifully rubbed into the spelt flour. So you're gonna get a beautiful crumb mixture. So at this stage, I really want to add my dates. So the dates are added by hand, and so is the milk. So you can use any sort of milk that you want. You can use oat milk, almond milk, you can use a buttermilk if you want, but I'm just using a lovely almond milk. And we're pouring in just that little bit of milk and giving it a mix through. I'm mixing it through using a knife because you just want to be as gentle as possible. And the wetter the mixture, the better. So you want it lovely and soft and sticky. So here I've got some oats. I'm just going to throw just a handful of oats into the scone dough. So it's going to be coated lovely and lusciously in the beautiful rolled oats, and it's going to give it a lovely chewy texture as well when you bite into it. But on a working surface, I'm going to sprinkle with more oats and pat them out onto my marble board. And this is what you want. You want a beautiful, lovely, delicate scone dough. Okay, so once you flatten it out a little bit, so I'm just going to just give it a final little roll, just with a rolling pin, just to get it at a lovely height. You want about 5 centimetre height, and sprinkle it with a few more oats. So now we're going to cut it into rounds using either a glass or a little pastry cutter. Make sure you're getting little bits of dates into your scone as well. Okay, so once we have the scones, they're gorgeous, they're sitting on a baking tray. I would love, or the best thing to do to get a beautiful glaze is to brush them gently with a bit of egg wash, or even with a little bit of milk or cream. So this is going to make the scone top lovely and golden brown. Now I'm going to bake these in an oven, 160 degrees, fan force, for around 20 minutes. And here they are, beautiful, lovely spelt and oatmeal scones, and I'm just going to have some right now and top mine with a lovely generous dollop of Greek yogurt and a generous drizzle of raw honey. But you can also use maple syrup, or you can use a blueberry jam, but I love raw honey on top of my scones. Enjoy, guys.